Let's add some CSS. In Sublime, open index.html. In the head, there's this link to the CSS file, style.css. Again, href sets the source of the file that is being linked. So, from index.html, the link is set to look inside the folder CSS, then link to style.css. So that's how that link works. Let's add some CSS that will be selectively applied to this div called container. Remember, you could have named this division, tag, class, anything that you want. I chose to name this div container. In Sublime, under CSS, open style.css. Here I've added some CSS that will add style to everything inside the body tag. I want everything in the division tag with class container to have a black background. So in style.css, type background black. Refresh your home page. Now the container has a black background. It makes it easier to see its dimensions. Back in style.css, let's make all of the text in the body white. So type color white. I'll also add some padding to the container. Padding adds space inside of the element, so like here, while margin adds space outside of the element, like here. You'll see what I mean. Don't worry too much about this distinction. Just play around with padding and margin until it looks the way you want. So I'll add some padding in the container, and this will be 15 pixels of padding all around on each side of the container. And again, remember that padding adds space inside of the element. I'm also going to change the font size of my header 1 element, so type H1, add some new CSS, H1, font size, let's do 100 pixels. Save style.css. Refresh Chrome. The text is now white and visible on the black background. The H1 tag is also larger because I set it to 100 pixels. Also, there's 15 pixels of padding all along the inside of this division. I want to get rid of these lines in between each image. These lines are there because these images are now links. So in style.css, to get rid of those lines, it'll be applied to the A tags, and we'll set text decoration to none. Save style.css, refresh Chrome, the lines between each image is gone. In the next video, we'll add a background image to this page and continue to make it look better. In this video, we added custom CSS to our homepage.